Hello, my name is Elizabeth. For those of you who are back with me, it's so great to have you here again in this sacred space of Yoga Nidra. For those of you new to this space, welcome. I am here to offer you a safe support through a guided meditation practice, Yoga Nidra, which we will move through layers of self to explore the subtlest spaces within, to create deep rest within us, therefore allowing all layers of self and the nervous system to completely calm and surrender into a space of healing, reset and recovery. This short, sweet Nidra practice welcomes the use of breath as a way to really ground and calm ourselves in moments of our day that may have become a little stressful or overwhelming, or simply when we just want to unwind into that witness space and detach from thoughts and sensations within the body, or simply moments of our day, turn off to tune in. Getting yourself into a space of comfort. I always recommend Savasana as a nice way to feel completely rested. But if lying on your bed or the floor feels good, in a supine pose, or even sitting on a chair against a wall, just make sure you have enough comfort with blankets and cushions, maybe even bolsters, just to support yourself to truly relax into this moment of surrender. Let's close down the eyes and just welcome yourself to that space behind the eyes. It might feel a light space to be, or a dark space to sit within. Either one is welcome. Just know that there is deep comfort in that holding space within you. Feel the back of the head and the shoulder blades, the elbows, the back of the hands, the hips and the sit bones, the calves and the heels, starting to relax into the ground beneath you. Just the sensation of touch, allowing you to become more present with yourself, and taking that awareness to the breath in its natural rhythm right now, effortless. Start to welcome a breath called Ujjayi, which is an audible breath and really mirrors the sound of the ocean. I always like to think of this breath as a cleansing breath, cleansing of the mind's thoughts, the tensions within the body, and just cleansing us into a state of bliss. We breathe through the nose on the inhale and the exhale. So on the next inhale, invite that breath but slightly restrict the throat so the sound of the ocean is present. A slight pause at the top, and then exhaling through the nose in the same way. Again, inhale. Pause. And exhale. Really allowing that cleansing breath to start calming the body and mind. One more time. Inhale. And pausing for a moment before you exhale. And as you return to the natural breath, effortless in its space, the center of the chest, sit that awareness now on the center of your heart. One of the most beautiful parts of Yoga Nidra is setting intention. We call it sankalpa, which simply means the offering of your heart, like a heart's prayer, or a simple honor to the altar of your heart. Almost visualizing your heart as your true guide, a trust within this space to really invite an intention into this practice, to help guide you to that state that you really truly feel you need to sit within in this moment. It can be a simple intention such as, I rest deeply within myself. Or perhaps, I welcome deep peace within my body, mind, and heart. If you have a sankalpa you like to use, then welcome that now and mentally repeating your intention 3 times. With that seed planted beautifully within you now, we will begin a rotation of awareness. Simply scanning your own body, focusing on point to point, and offering in that moment a state of complete relaxation and rest. Guide that awareness now to the tip of the toes. Each toe feeling sensation. The soles of the feet, the back of the heels, the top of the feet, the ankles, top of the shins, back of the calves, the knees, inside and outside of the knees, top of the thighs, back of the thighs, the hip sockets, and the pelvic girdle supporting the hip joints, the whole of the pelvic girdle, and all sensation now in the lower body, completely rested. Guiding that awareness from the sacrum to the tailbone. Each vertebra of the spine resting on the ground beneath you. The navel center, the rib cage, center of the chest, the upper chest, pectorals, and both shoulders simultaneously. The front of the upper arm and the back of the upper arm. Elbows, forearms, back of the forearms, wrists, back of the hand, center of the palm, thumbs, and all of the fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4. A unified field of simple sensation now throughout the whole body. Center of the throat, back of the neck, back of the head, the scalp, and all of the sensations of the top of the head. Forehead rested, eyelids heavy, rested, tip of the nose, cheeks, inside of the mouth, and all of the sensations of the mouth. All of the sensations of the tip of the tongue to the back of the throat. Back to your heart center, whole body, a sensation of rest in this moment. It's as if your awareness has allowed the body to be porous and open to awareness, and an awareness to the breath that you are now breathing as you feel the heart falling and rising, as the wings of the heart, the lungs, breathe you effortlessly in this moment. Just taking a moment to witness this breath. Noticing as you sit with this breath, the more and more its field expands throughout the body and beyond the boundaries of the body. Your whole body is now breathing. Trillions and trillions of cells receiving this life force pranic energy. Your breath is your medicine to release all of the tension and clean up all of the noise within your body and within your mind. Just simply breathing. As you breathe, you take the awareness to the center of the right palm. Each inhale drawing that breath from the center of the palm to the center of the heart, and each breath out exhaling down into the left palm. The next breath inhaling through the left palm to the center of your heart, and then back through into the center of the right palm, as you then breathe through the right palm to the center of your heart, and exhale back through into the left palm, as you again breathe back through into the heart. Allowing this moment of breathing through the right side and the left side to just flow with your natural breath. Your awareness moving from right to left and left to right in a moment of consciously being present with your breath. Allowing this prana life force to move with your awareness rising and falling. As you let that go, you simply return now to the breath rising and falling at the center of the chest. This time inviting the breath from the heart into the mind's eye and exhaling back down into the heart. Again breathing from the heart to the mind's eye and exhaling back down into the heart. As you guide that awareness from the heart to the mind's eye and back through into the heart, each time that you inhale, you invite that space to open within the mind, to allow the thoughts and any noise of the mind to dissolve on the exhale and drop it simply into the center of your heart, cleansing through this process of awareness of breath in and breath out. Each time you exhale, almost gathering the thoughts and dropping them into the heart. Perhaps just one thought at a time, noting how every time you breathe in, more and more space has expanded within the mind. It's almost as if the expansion of the mind in this breath technique is as vast as a beautiful sky above you. And you allow that breath awareness to again dissolve. You anchor yourself back into the heart, where the natural breath resides, surrounding the heart, warming the heart, and warming yourself back to the awareness of your sankalpa, your intention that you set for this practice. mentally whisper to yourself 3 times, planting that seed beautifully into the center of your heart and the center of your mind. And now let's welcome 3 nice breaths in through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Again, inhale. Exhale. One more breath in. And as you exhale, just allowing every single part of you to fully surrender into its space of bliss energy that you are. Into a space of bliss energy that you are. Take a moment here to really note the transformation with just a few moments of your time to sit quietly within yourself and breathe your body. How more centered and calm you feel. How perhaps now there is some clarity within you and some deep grounded energy for you to anchor into in this moment. Perhaps you'd like to bask in this a little longer, but if you are ready to come back to your waking day, then just touching the fingers and thumbs, wiggling the toes, maybe having a really nice stretch before you gather yourself into a state of seated meditation. I invite yourself to bring your hands to your heart and in this moment just honor yourself. We live such busy lives, it's not often we take a moment of self-care, of self-compassion, and know that's exactly what you just gifted yourself with. This moment you just showed up for yourself. You took a moment to really honor you, this life right here in front of you. It's so important that we take these moments of our day just to fill ourselves back up, so that when we can go back into the world and be of service to others. I really hope you feel a shift within you in this moment. I will be continuously opening up spaces and uploading new content. I really invite you to invest in this ancient sacred practice by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button so that I can get my content out there to as many people as possible, because I know the world needs this practice. So please share and share alike, and I look forward very much to joining you here very soon. Have a blessed day. Namaste.